Class 9 Lines and Angles, Lecture 3, Module 10. Let us take two lines L and M and another line N. Such a line is called a transversal line, which intersects both L and M at point A and B respectively. A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Angles made by a transversal. Pairs of corresponding angles. Pairs of alternate interior angles. Pairs of co-interior angles. Pairs of corresponding angles are angle 3 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 8, angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Now pair of co-interior angles. Angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5 are called the pair of corresponding angles. So angle 3 and angle 6 and angle 4 and angle 5 are called co-interior angles. Module 11. L is parallel to M, that is given. Pairs of corresponding angles. Angle 3 equal to angle 7. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. Angle 4 equal to angle 8. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Pairs of alternate interior angles. Angle 4 equal to angle 6. Angle 3 equal to angle 5. Pairs of co-interior angles. Angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 and angle 5, if we add, that gives you 180 degree. Module 12. In figure, find the values of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. Solution. X and 50 degree, that makes a linear pair. So x is equal to 180 minus 50. That is x equal to 130 degree. Angle X and angle Y are equal because interior alternate angles are equal. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD. In figure, if AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, and Y is to Z equal to 3:7, find X. AB is parallel to CD given, CD is parallel to EF given. We need to find the value of X. Also, it is given Y is to Z equal to 3:7. Solution. Y is to Z equal to 3:7. That is given. Let the common multiple be K. Therefore, Y equal to 3K and Z equal to 7K. Now, angle CSR equal to angle TSD because they are vertically opposite angle. Angle TSD equal to Y. So, angle CSR equal to Y. CD is parallel to EF, that is given, and ST is a transversal. Therefore, angle TSD plus angle STF equal to 180 degree. So, Y plus Z equal to 180 degree. So, 3K plus 7K equal to 180. So, 10K equal to 180. So, K equal to 180 divided by 10. So, K equal to 18 degree. So, Y equal to 3K equal to 3 into 18, that is Y equal to 54 degree. Since AB is parallel to CD and transversal PQ intersects them at R and S respectively, so angle ARS plus angle RSC equal to 180 degree because interior angles are also supplementary. Therefore, X plus Y equal to 180. So, X equal to 180 minus Y equal to 180 minus 54 equal to 126. Hence, X equal to 126. Module 14. Exercise 6.23. In figure, if AB is parallel to CD, EF is perpendicular to CD, and angle GED equal to 126 degree, find angle AGE, angle GEF, and angle FGE. AB is parallel to CD given, EF is perpendicular to CBD, angle GED is equal to 126 degree, we need to find angle AGE, angle GEF, and angle FGE. Solution. Since AB is parallel to CD and transversal GE cuts them at G and E respectively, so angle AGE is equal to angle GED because they are alternate angles. So angle AGE equal to 126 degree since angle GED equal to 126 degree given. So angle GEF equal to angle GED minus angle FED. So angle GEF equal to 126 degree because angle GED equal to 126 degree given minus 90 degree. Therefore, angle GEF equal to 36 degree. And angle AGE plus angle FGE equal to 180 degree because they are linear pair angles. Therefore, 126 degree plus angle FGE equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle FGE equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree. Therefore, angle FGE equal to 54 degree. Thank you.